fellow YouTube users and Facebook users. Here's a bit all over the place there. Yeah, it's very grim and very horrible weather today, as you may guess. It's very rainy, very stormy. Of course, there's scattered buses just behind me, as you may guess. Still in the southern part of Brighton, as you may guess. But after our visit at the disappointing get together at Lewis train station yesterday, filming the Class 313 EMUs, I would say it's going to be the same today, really, considering, you know, yesterday it was for a Saturday, it was more like a Sunday, really. You know, getting the 313s, the Southern PEPs and that, like. But anyway, we're at Newhaven Town. Well, just behind me there, like signage, just there, and also up there as well. And yeah, we're not really promising really with anything, like just, you know, see what we can get with the Class 313 EMUs, the Southern PEPs and that, and yeah, just not really promising really, but see what we can get in terms of the Southern PEPs and that, like, because I know possibly there could be like 3 or 2 knocking around and that, like, but as I say, I'm not really like depicting on anything really, because it is a Sunday. And yeah, anyway guys, see what we can get, and hope you enjoy this one. Take it easy guys, bye. As you may guess, there's some brief history here that I found of Newhaven Town, involving the merchant history, involving, like, you know, the shipments and the ferries here as well. There has been a lot of like cargo history, which Newhaven Town is world famous for, because of its ships and boats. Also there's quite a lot of like freight traffic as well, or there used to be a lot of freight traffic coming from Newhaven Town docks, and also Newhaven Harbour itself and that. I believe Newhaven Harbour still does exist, although the station is completely off cut and completely out of action regards to everything else down there. But of course we will come over to Newhaven Harbour at some point in the future. So yeah, just this is more like a poppy you know, memorial thing, explaining about the transport there, involving like the emissions and that, like, and the navy, and so forth, going way back into the 1870s more like, or even, it says here, like, you know, it's well known for its shipment, the 1960s and the First World War, and also the Second World War as well. So a lot of archive here, a lot of good photographs and that, and yeah. Anyway guys, let's get going, film some more peps, and yeah, see what we can get. Well, that includes our very wet and rainy Newhaven Town train station. I'm just taking my headphones off there, like. Yeah, so yeah, we didn't get really enough class 313 EMUs really, but they were only like about 2 or 3, as I said, and that, like. Bearing in mind it is a Sunday and that, like, so they will be running every 30 minutes, the Southern PEPs really today, like, so a bit like yesterday really. God, it's absolutely awful today, honestly, the weather, like. Yeah, just typical English UK weather, as you may call, like. So obviously I will revisit here at Newhaven Town train station filming the Southern PEPs, but it will be much better, like, you know, like today and that. It's absolutely horrible, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, just yesterday, just a bit disappointing, like, you know, we didn't really get enough Southern PEPs really, sadly. I might try again tomorrow with a bit of luck, maybe. You know, a bit like today really. We didn't get an awful lot at all, in fact. And yeah, just